Hello friends, how is everyone? This is Umesh welcoming you once more to Indian Everywhere. Today we came to the hiking again. This location is in Amaria and we call it is a land of five. So let's go and get started with the hiking now. Today is a very bad day for hiking. See, you can see the sound, how much it is, but still we came and we are not going to give up. So let's keep going. For a little warm up, we all are walking on a flat surface now, as you can see, and after some times the real excitement will begin. Now we are going to get down from this side. Consider this as a mountain number 1. So we are going to go down from there. They will go down and you can see on that one top we will going to go at the mountain number 2. Really fun doing a hiking here. As you can see, it's dangerous too, but we guys are enjoying. See, going down from the first mountain towards the second one. Okay. You can see as from the top we came from the first mountain, and this side you can see the second mountain. We are going to climb on that one now. So let's go. You can see this like a canal here. When it is a raining season, all the rainwater is going to go from this place only. We are on our way to the second mountain now. So it is almost 50 meters. So keep going, guys. From the first we came down and we are on the middle of the second one. So we will go this way to complete the second mountain. We have been walking on the flat surface on the mountain number 2 and we came to the edge now, and we are going to get down from here on this side and we will go on that third one now. So we are on the way to our third mountain this side, and we have something like a waterfall here. So we are going to go that side and have a look how it looks now. No rain today, so we cannot see the waterfall, but at least we can have a look. So friends, finally we are on the top of the third mountain now, and we are walking on the flat surface for a while until we get ready to go down. Finally getting ready to get down from the third mountain, and see how beautiful this is. In the desert, you can see what a beautiful plant. It is all green and green here. Have a look on this one, please. Even I don't know the name of this plant. If anyone knows, please let me in the comment box. I am between the mountains of the third and the fourth one. This is the third one and this is the fourth one, but we in the valley now, and we'll go keep on walking in the valley itself to have some fun. Friends, see how dangerous this is to get down from here, but we are not scared for any kind of danger or something like that, because we want to enjoy this as much as we can. So as while enjoying, also we need to be careful while getting down. No need to be in a hurry or no need to jump. Be careful and you can get down easily. mountain now, so let's go. Finally we are on the top of the fourth mountain and we are walking on the flat surface now. After some time we are going to get down from this one also. Finally we are getting ready to get down from the fourth mountain now. See, as we can go this way. So let's go. We are almost down from the fourth mountain now. Walking between the valley of the fourth and the fifth mountain. Hopefully we are not going to go and climb on the fifth one, because we will go walking straight between the valleys and we'll go near our car now. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this hiking trip. If so, please like and subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care. Bye bye guys.